Hey guys, welcome to this particular course. It's all about wig making tools. This is where you will see the videos on everything you need to know about making wigs, hair pieces, ventilation, everything you need to know about the tools only. This includes hair, sewing machines, types of caps that you can use, other tools to help you make really good custom wigs. So this is a new kind of thing that I'm doing, and this is actually free to everyone so that they can see this information because it kind of helps them prepare if they're taking my online courses. But some things I want you guys to be aware of when you look at this page. This page is what the other pages are going to look like as well, because I want to create some consistency and simplicity in the way the courses are. So they'll be organized and titled very well so that you'll be able to understand exactly what you're learning, and that way you can pick what you really want to know. So that's what we need to know. When you scroll down below here, you'll notice that there's videos that talks about wig caps, the wig heads that you'll be using, talks about hair, talks about ventilation tools, and I'll be adding in more videos monthly or probably weekly as this course goes along. So this is going to be for the full month of September. For now, you'll start to see more videos filtering in, and I will let you know through updates. So make sure you're following me on YouTube, Facebook, as well as Instagram, but definitely the student page will give you updates of what new videos are where. So just want to make sure you're aware of that. Also, once you continue to scroll down underneath the videos about particular tools, there will be a link for you to shop for tools if you do not have these tools. You can purchase wig caps, you can purchase wig heads, you can purchase ventilating tools. They're all in the kits. So these are the kits that you would need to get started, or if you already have gotten started, you just need more supplies and things like that, you can purchase them here on Wig Making 101 in that area. And then underneath that, coming very soon, there will be links for you to shop hair. And when I mean very soon, you'll probably notice that it's already there if you are watching this video. If it's not, it's coming within a matter of days. So there will be links that I will provide to you for you to shop for good quality hair, good synthetic hair, human hair, and raw hair. Those, raw virgin hair, those will be the three categories. So you can shop based off what you need to make your custom wigs, because those are the three most obviously used. I don't want to just say we're only just using human hair, or we're only just using, virgin hair, because that gets very expensive. But just know there will be links for you to purchase hair, and they will be outside links. This is not hair that I provide from Wig Making 101. They are just places that I go. They're my vendors and distributors that I go to. So these are the links that I will be sharing with you so that you can purchase the hair that you need. So I'm going to give you the best from my experience of what I worked with. So those are the things I want you guys to know within this particular course. If you need anything, you have to contact me. Just go down to the chat below. If you are a current student, more than likely you do have my personal number. If you do not, make sure you look through the other courses to find out what that is. But yes, make sure you can contact me through the chat. If you're a student, I'll make sure that you have my personal number so that you're able to converse with me a little bit quickly. So welcome to this course. Get ready to start seeing the videos pop in, and go ahead and look at the videos that are there now, and I'll see you in class.